Hey Channel Insiders, I'm Katie Bavoso here for Partner POV On-Site at Scale Computing Platform 2025 in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm being joined by IT leaders and partners from all over the world today, including these two gentlemen right here. I'm joined by Dan Pierce, Vice President of Global Business Development at Scale Computing. Welcome.
Thank you, great to be here.
Thank you so much for being here. And we are also joined by Tom Larson, President of Velasea, a Scale Computing partner. Welcome to you, Tom.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. So Tom, let's start with you. Velasea is a physical security video surveillance solution provider, among other things, but that's one of your specialties. And what's interesting is right now we're sitting inside one of your customers, Resorts World. And currently there are about 6,000 4K cameras on site between the hotel and the casino watching everything we're doing right now. Please break down how Scale Computing powers that really expansive solution and why are they the right partner for you to do this with?
First and foremost, Resorts World, when this property was being built and designed coming out of the ground, they really wanted to have the leading edge hardware solution for the head end that was redundant. Casino cannot have any downtime. If a camera goes down over a gaming table, they have to shut the gaming table down.
Wow.
So that's part of the Nevada regulations. They needed a hyper-converged solution, something where if a server went down, the video would always be recording and available. At the same time, what Scale brought to the table, it was just the ease of the deployments. It was deployed as a Scale Computing appliance. The software was loaded on there, and it was very simple to deploy. And now it's been a couple of years since that deployment. Speaking with the leadership here at Resorts World, it's been flawless for the last several years.
Hyper-converged infrastructure inside of physical security solutions, such as the ones we were going over, it's not exactly new, but it's still non-traditional in that space. Can you talk about why Scale Computing is so well positioned to help solution providers involved in that, like Velasea?
Yeah, Tom and I actually were just talking about this. So, traditional video surveillance deployed on bare metal. At the start and end of every day, what Scale does is we provide a platform for organizations to run on-prem applications. So we're a platform to run applications, and we make it crazy simple to deploy and manage, and we ensure maximum uptime of those applications, as Tom mentioned. From a hyperconverged standpoint, I think we're just getting started. And we've got these big footprint deployments, but we're starting to see some of our retail customers like Jerry's Foods. So Jerry's Foods has about 50 to 100 grocery retail locations. What they're gonna do is they're gonna run a small scale cluster. They're gonna run their point of sale, customer loyalty solution, some other applications that run the store, but they'll also run 80 to 100 digital watchdog cameras all on the same infrastructure. So they're able to bring in new applications and move forward rather than just having one point-based solution. So I think we're starting to see some evolution of big properties adopting HCI, and we definitely are gonna see more of the smaller footprint, seeing the benefits of hardware consolidation, being able to run multiple applications on hyperconverged infrastructure.
Tom, I want to go back over to you because in the past you've told me that Scale Computing HyperCore, its flagship hyper-converged infrastructure software stack, combined with Velasea solutions, create a easy button for physical security infrastructure. What exactly do you mean by that?
The major client base to Velasea is the actual security integration company. They bring us different properties, different opportunities, and what we're doing is combining workloads. So the big thing that hasn't really happened mainstream in the physical security space is hardware consolidation. What we're starting to see is now hyper-converged coming in, and how we're delivering it to the security integrator is as an appliance scale, and then we are actually putting together the software applications into the Scale software to make it really simple to deploy.
How would something like that compare if you involved a competitor like VMware over Scale Computing?
I would say VMware hit this market extremely hard in the last year. There's a lot of our customer base that were using VMware to virtualize the different applications on the server, not necessarily so much as a hyper-converged, but more as a virtualization play. Once VMware changed their business model, changed their pricing model, the software became too expensive to be consumed. Today, it's left a large void in this space. So we're looking at Scale to fill the void for just simple virtualization. So now we're seeing quite a few customers abandoning the VMware, moving to Scale, and they love it because it's more simplistic and it's better support.